Car Story research indicates this vehicle as features also include keyless ignition, leather seats, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.